Mulder, it's me. Where have you been? I've been trying your cell all day.
I was out squatching.
What?
Bigfoot hunting. Had my phone turned off.
Did you have any luck?
No, that's not really the point. I just had to get away from the madness for a little while. It seems this past year all I've done is watch the news and worry that the country's gone insane. I had to get out to nature, where it's simple and uncomplicated, where it's just you and the elements, and possibly a cryptozoological simian-like hairy humanoid with enormous feet.
I think you just like saying squatching. We still on for dinner tomorrow night?
Yeah, I'll see you then. Hey, Scully, I ever tell you about the time I found a Sasquatch footprint in the mud?
Yeah, you
It was
did.
35 years ago.
Mulder, I've heard this before.
On the banks of the mighty
Mulder, you already told me.
Mogo
Hey,
River
gotta
in
go,
beautiful
gotta go,
British
Mulder.
Columbia, Scully. Scully.